welcome to Hunter Gatherer Cooking. It's January, it's snowed. How best to warm up? Eat a Scotch Bonnet. So I had this from my Irie box recently. I'm just going to do this. Oh. Ah. Mmm. Ah. Oh. Wow. So if I look this up correctly, this is about 200 or 1,000 Scoville. Oh. Well, 150 to 300,000 depending on what you've got. I know a lot of I know people have eaten a lot hotter. I've eaten a lot hotter than this. I had the Psycho Juice, which was 600 or 1,000. Oh, but I'm still getting this numbness, this tingling in my face. The tears are streaming. If it follows the same pattern, I've got roughly 20 minutes of this before it eases off. And then a night of hell. Unpleasantness. That's really warm. Oh, that is just so lovely drinking that water. It feels like my nose is numb, my lips are numb. My nose is tingling. I will regret this later. About 4 in the morning. Whew, that's not going to be pleasant. That is seriously. That's a nice hot chilli. Let's leave it there for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll do another one soon. Check out Irie box if you're in Bristol for local Caribbean fruit delivery. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, please. Otherwise, all this is pointless. And I'll see you soon.